Hello everyone, this is Payal Vacha. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss about introduction of staining techniques and simple staining technique. So let's get started. These are the list of contents we will discuss in this video. First one, what is staining techniques that have two types. First one is simple staining procedure and next one is differential staining procedure. Introduction of simple staining procedure, differential staining procedure. What is simple staining techniques? We will discuss in this video. First one is staining techniques. Normally, there are two staining procedures for light microscopy. So normally, two staining procedures are available for light microscopy. First one is simple staining procedure and next one is differential staining procedure. What is simple staining? Introduction of simple staining. Simplest, the actual staining process may involve immersing the sample in dye solution followed by rinsing and observation. So what is simple staining? That is a simple process. The actual staining process which may involve immersing the sample before or after fixation and mounting in dye solution. So what is the first step? First step is actual staining process that may involve immersion of sample in dye solution. After immersion of sample in dye solution followed by rinsing or washing and observe the glass slide. The stain can be poured drop by drop on the slide. So first step is that is the simplest process and actual staining process that may involve immersion of sample before or after fixation of microorganism, immersion of sample in a dye solution. After immersion, washing remaining dye solution and observe the glass slide. Stain can be poured drop by drop on the glass slide with the help of dropper. Simple staining procedure. What was this staining procedure? In this procedure, single staining reagents, example methylene blue, crystal violet or carbofuscin is used and all cells and their structures stain in the same manner. So in simple staining procedure, simple staining reagents, examples methylene blue, crystal violet or carbofuscin, all are the single staining reagent that are used and all cell and their structures are stained properly with the help of single staining reagent. This procedure is of two types. First one is positive staining and next one is negative staining. What is difference between positive staining as well as negative staining? In positive staining, the stain, example is methylene blue stain, is basic, cationic, positively charged and attached to the surface of object that is negatively charged. So, staining have two types. First one is positive staining and next one is negative staining. So in positive staining, example, methylene blue stain, that is a basic in nature and cationic. That means methylene blue that have a positively charge. So methylene blue stain have a positively charge. So that are attached to the surface of object that contain negatively charge, and dye have a stain have a positive charge and objects have a negative charge, so both are attracted easily. That is regarding positive staining. In negative staining, that is opposite to positive staining, the stain, example, indica ink or nigrosin, that is the example of negative stain, that is anionic in nature and having a negative charge. So, indica ink and nigrosin, they are acidic in nature and having a negative charge. That means that is a anionic and it is repelled by object bacteria, that is negatively charged. Why? That is repelled by object, example bacteria, that is negatively charged, dye because stain, indica ink as well as nigrosin both are negative charge and objects are also negative charge, so both are repelled by each other, and therefore bacterial cell appears transparent, and the stain stains only background but not bacteria. So bacterial species have negative charge as well as stain have negative charge. So both are repelled by each other. Therefore, bacterial cells appears transparent in nature, and stain stains only background but stain doesn't stain bacterial species. So what is difference between positive stain and negative staining method? In positive staining method, methylene blue, that is the example of positive stain, that is basic in nature and that have a positive charge. So methylene blue that have a positive charge that attach to the surface of object, that is negatively charged in nature. So methylene blue that have a positive charge and that is attached to the surface of object that have a negative charge, and they are attract to the each other. Second one is negative staining. In negative staining, stain, example of negative stain is indica ink as well as nigrosin. Both are acidic in nature and anionic, that means negative in charge, that is repelled by object. Why? Because object means any bacterial species that is in a negative charge. So stain are negative charge, stains have a negative charge as well as bacterial species that also contain negatively charged. So both are repelled with each other. Therefore, bacterial cells appears transparent. And the stain stains only background but they doesn't stain bacterial species. That is the type of staining methods. What is differential staining procedure? Differential staining procedure. More than one staining reagents are used and specific objects, example, specific microorganism or particular structure of microorganism, exhibit different staining reactions which are readily distinguishable. So what is differential staining procedure? In differential staining procedure, more than one staining reagents are used and specific objects. Which type of specific objects are used? Specific microorganism or a particular structure of any species. They exhibit different staining reactions which are easily distinguishable. Two most widely used differential staining procedure. What are the two most widely used differential staining procedure? First one is gram staining and next one is acid fast staining method. What is gram staining method as well as acid fast staining method? We will discuss in next lecture briefly. So differential staining method differentiate various species and microorganisms by using more than one staining reagents, and mostly two methods are used for differential staining procedure. First one is gram staining and next one is acid fast staining. What is simple staining procedure? In this video, we will discuss about simple staining technique. Simple staining of bacteria. What was the principle of simple staining of bacteria? Simple staining which involves single dye or a staining reagent. That means in simple staining method that involve single dye or staining reagents, while differential staining method which involve multiple dye or multiple staining reagent. So in principle, simple staining that involve single dye or staining reagents. The purpose of staining is to demonstrate cell size, cell shape, as well as arrangements of bacterial cells. So simple staining procedure involves single staining reagent for identify any bacterial species by using single staining reagent. To demonstrate cell size, cell shape, and arrangement of bacterial cells. Since bacterial cells usually have a negative charge on their surface and they are most readily colored by basic stains. So what is the principle of simple staining of bacteria? Simple staining, which may involve single staining reagent for a staining purpose. What is the purpose of staining? So, purpose of simple staining is to demonstrate cell morphology like cell size, shape and arrangement of bacterial cell. Since bacterial cells usually have a negatively charge on their surface and they are readily colored by basic stains. These compounds will either give up a hydroxide ion or gain a hydrogen ion, either of which leaves a positive charge which is attracted to a negatively charged cell surface. So bacterial species, this compound will either give up hydroxide ion, otherwise they gain hydrogen ion, either of which leaves a positive charge. So this compound either leave a positive charge, that is directly attracted to a negatively charged cell surface. What is the procedure of simple staining method? Prepare a smear of given culture or material by spreading a thin film on a glass slide. So first step is prepare a smear of given culture by spread thin film on clean glass slide. After smear formation, dry it by waving in a air and then heat fix by passing the slide 2 to 3 times through the flame with the smeared side facing upward. So, first step is prepare smear of given culture or material by spreading a thin film on a glass slide. After smear preparation, it is dried properly by waving in air, and after drying, it is heat fixed by passing the glass slide 2 to 3 times on a flame with smeared side facing upwards in a position. Stain the smear by flooding it with one of the staining solutions and allow it to remain covered with stain for the time designated below. So, stain the smear. What is smear? Smear means one type of coat or mark there directly stick to the any substances. So stain the smear by flooding it with one of the staining solutions and allow it to remain covered with stain for the time designated below. So what is the procedure of simple staining technique? First step is prepare a smear of given culture. How smear is prepared? So smear is prepared by spreading a thin film on a clean glass slide. After smear preparation, it is dried by waving in air. After drying, heat fix by passing the glass slide 2 to 3 times through a flame and smeared side facing upward. After heat fixation, stain the smear by flooding various staining reagents and allow it to remain covered with the stain for the time designated below. So we will discuss. First one is methylene blue. If you are using methylene blue, 1 minute time is required for staining purpose. If you are using crystal violet, 30 seconds is enough for staining purpose. And last one, if you are using carbol fuscin, 20 seconds is enough for staining reactions. Wash the slide gently with running water to remove the excess stain. So after stain with the help of methylene blue or crystal violet or carbol fuscin, take any one dye. Not all the dyes, but take any one dye. After staining, wash the glass slide gently with the help of running tap water. Why glass slide is gently wash with the help of running water? To remove excessive stain. After that, air dry the slide or blot dry with blotting paper. So, after washing off excess stain, glass slide is air dried properly or blot dry with the help of blotting paper. Next one is apply the oil directly to the smear and focus the smear first under low power objective and then under oil immersion objective. Last step is after drying of glass slide with the help of blot dry by blotting paper or air dried. Apply oil directly to the smear surface and focus the smear first under low power objective. Example, 10x than under oil immersion objective. What was the result? The bacteria will appear blue or red depending upon stain used with characteristic morphology and maybe cocci, cocobacilli, spiral or coma shaped, etc. So what was the result of simple staining method? Bacteria will appear blue color or red color. How it appear blue color or red color? They are depend upon stain used with characteristic morphology. And bacteria may be a cocci, cocobacilli, spiral or a coma shaped, etc. Steps that are involved in staining cells for microscopic observation. That is the schematic diagram of steps that are involved in staining cells for microscopic observation. First one is make the smear out of given sample or given culture. After smear formation, that is heat fix with the help of glass slide by passing the glass slide 2 to 3 times on the flame and smear side facing upwards. After that, after heat fixing, they are stained with the help of staining reagent. First one is that are flood with CV, crystal violet, and wait for 30 seconds. Otherwise, glass slide that is flood with carbolfuscin and wait for 20 seconds. After that, they are washed with the help of tap water to remove excess stain and blot dry with the help of blotting paper. And last one is cells with characteristic shape will appear blue or cells with characteristic shape will appear dark red depending on which type of stains is used. If you are using crystal violet stain, blue color bacterial cell is visible, while you are using carbolfuscin, red color is bacterial cells are visible. In figure 2.2, figure A as well as figure B. In figure A, simple stained example crystal violet smear with showing characteristic shape of cells, while second one is carbolfuscin smear that also give characteristic shape of cell. Crystal violet gives blue color while carbolfuscin gives red color to the species. That is regarding steps that are involved in staining cells for microscopic observation. What is the bacterial arrangement? Bacterial arrangement have various types. First one is cluster-like arrangement, like group, chain-like arrangement, in pairs form, and last one is no spatial arrangement. First one is bacteria arranged in a cluster or in a group form. Four examples are present for cluster. A, that is the example of Micrococcus. B, that is the Diplococcus. Third one is C, that is the Staphylococcus species, and last one is D, that is the Streptococcus species. For example, A, B, C, and D, A to D, all are the example of clusters bacterial arrangement. Next one is in chain. So in chain, first one is E. E means Bacillus species, F means Corynebacterium, G means Bacillus typhi, and H means Proteus species. So E to H species, they are arranged in chain form. Next one is in pair form. I, J, and K. I is Spirium, Spirillum. Next one is J is Syphilis bacteria. And last one is K is nitrogen feeding bacteria. I to K, that is the example of pairs that are also called as diploids. Last one is no spatial arrangement. Example of not a specific arranged bacterial species, that is Thiospilum, and next one is Vibrio bacteria, L and M. So that is regarding bacterial arrangement via various methods: cluster type, chain type, pairs or diploids, and last one is no spatial arrangements. For any query or doubts related to topic, please write your questions in comment box. Thank you.